The Dow drops 133 points. My name's D7. Here at Grok Trade, it's Tuesday, April 5th, 2016. And I'm back. I missed the video yesterday. Here's why. I just updated my new trading machine. Every 2 years I do so. For all you geeks out there, I put together it's a ATX, or it's an X99A motherboard that has a lot of goodies on it, like the M.2 connection and then the USB 3.1. Furthermore, it's an i7 processor. It's a 5930. I'm running 64 gigs of RAM. I'm running 2 graphics cards. Both of them are GTX 970s. I'm cooling the system with an H110i, which is Corsair liquid cooling for the processor. And anyway, I've got a SSD, which is a solid state hard drive, in there running my Windows 10 operating system. I've got the new Samsung 950 Pro, and it's a little bitty guy. It's 512 gigabytes, and it's just in a little chip. It's new technology. Anyway, for all you guys, your eyes are crossing and you're wondering why I'm even telling you this, I'm just letting you know that I fear that I'm going to burn my house down every time I turn on this beast. It is a beauty. Anyway, all right, I'm done bragging, but switching over everything, switching over all the content, all the video stuff, all my trading stuff was a miniature act of Congress. It was laborious to say the least, and I am finally starting to get up and going. I'm hoping this video will play out well. Speaking of that, I will be probably sending out emails to a number of you all, especially those who have taken the 101 courses, which we do talk about computer setups in lesson number 2 of our 101 courses. They're free, and you can go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com. If you go there, you can sign up right here and you'll get the free information. And again, course number 2 is all about trading systems and what you should have and what you need. And I'll be sending out an email to everybody if you've been to the 101s and 201s, probably with my video. I did a couple videos today in front of my new system, and I'll probably send you a video talking about the mentorship coming up. Hoping you can join us in Vegas. A lot of big things taking place here, gang, in the markets. We're going to look here. You'll see across the board, markets are down more than 1% for the most part. Banks off by nearly 2%. Financials off by almost 1.5%. And crude oil up more than 0.5%. Gold up more than 1%. 1.5% rise on silver. VIX, the fear, increasing nearly 6%. Let's take a look here at the. We're going to look at the spiders. First, here's the skinny. Bad news. Lower high, lower low, big drop, breaking all sorts of support levels. So that line's coming out, and we are now below the AEMA. The question is, will that happen again tomorrow? I'm watching the 20-day moving average like a hawk. It needs to stay above that if we're going to remain bullish in the markets. The Dow, though, is at support. It dropped, hit support. It went below it and then came right, closed right on that support level. Volume was substantial today. Nice rise in volume. We have on the Dow, and let me see the spiders. Yeah, spiders looking fairly good on volume too. And the NASDAQ techs down, closed below the AEMA. Volume not so great. Now here's the big one. Small caps. This is the Russell's 2000 ETF. Big rising wedge. If I look here at the MACD, you will see that I have a bearish divergence, and we dropped here with a tick higher on volume. We are now below a support level, and that's not good. Matter of fact, so much so that I am going to do an arrow pointing down. So I'm not. This is bad news here. We need to get bullish and quickly to heal this. Banks off almost 2%. Big drop here. Look at this dude. Big, big, big. Boom to the downside. I'm going to look at financials here. Look at the double top. Top is a big M. See the M? That could be trouble, trouble, trouble. We did break the neckline. I don't have it drawn there. I do. I can see these through my eyes here. Boom, boom, boom. Broke the neckline. And volume. Big pop on that drop. Not good at all. Gold is what's interesting here. Remember I said buy, 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 and boom, we're up, and but we stalled at a resistance point coming across here. You can see, boom, boom, right there. Stalled at it, but we're above the trend line. That's very good. That could continue to go higher. If you didn't watch my weekend video, go back and definitely watch that. Silver popped up, volume so below a lot of moving averages. And that's where we're at. I'm going to look at something here, the weekly chart, because on the weekend edition, I shared this with you. Remember how I said we hit our head and I put this red arrow, looked for it to go down, and there we are. Big red down candlestick. And week's just getting started. But it looked like this last week when I did the video, and then I put the arrow, and then this is what we have. Stay close with us. We'll keep you in the know. Only way to learn how to trade is through a mentor. If you're going to learn how to fly a plane, you would hire a pilot to teach you. You would not watch videos, nor would you read a book to fly a plane. Trading should be considered just as important. So we will mentor you. All you need to do is fill out the form at Grok Trade. Click on Trading Mentor and then fill out the form, and we'll get you all the information you need. And if you like it, Catch you guys later.